This is elevator number 3 at the Gatlinburg Square in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Oop, it's here. Shaft Dover Blue. 5. Ooh, high hydraulic. Let's get a cab view. Very nice cab. We're stopping on 1, or J. Ooh, it says elevator. Oh, that was strange. This floor just kind of feels weird. Probably why they have this mat here. Is this hydraulic or traction? It's 5. Get a view over here. Is it? Yeah, this is hydraulic. Let's get a view. Here's the view up here. There's the elevator. You can see the scenic Montgomery elevators. The view down there. It's pretty nice here. Trying to get what I can now. Dover Blue shaft equipment. Let's actually go to J. ADA compliant phone. Indicator is very dim. Ooh, you can see right there. Cool. One video here. I want to meet up with my mom. Just gonna get those Montgomerys. This thing takes a while to run off. Here. And there it goes, and that's it.